In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, let's use Clipboard. Just copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, we can finally use Clipboard. If you can't see it here, tap on this icon at the top left corner and tap on it. Now, to paste anything from Clipboard, just click on it here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, just hold it and use pin icon from the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. If you want to delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use pin button. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!